Drone footage captured on Monday in La Palma, Spain, showed the lava stream from Volcano Cumbre Vieja hitting a residential area as it headed towards the coast. Bulks of lava could be seen pouring into a swimming pool, boiling over the water. Smoke, ash and the intermittent fires that forced residents of the area to evacuate continued to rage on, as the eruption is still active. Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez confirmed on Monday that human lives were not in danger. Over 5,000 people have been evacuated from nearby municipalities, that lie roughly between the sea and the hillside, where the eruption is taking place. La Palma has a surface area of just over 700 square kilometers, and a population of almost 85,000 people. The area has experienced 7 recorded eruptions since records began.